Imagine you need an explainer video for your new product, the kind you see on YouTube, with clean whiteboard drawings that sketch themselves out, paired with a professional, clear voiceover. A few years ago, that meant hiring a studio, weeks of back and forth, and a budget with a lot of zeros. Today, you can do it in about 15 minutes, with nothing but an idea. This is a complete guide to Golpo AI, the tool that makes it possible. We're going to walk through every single feature, button, and setting so that by the end of this, you'll be a master of the platform. When you log into Golpo and hit Create New Video, you land on what I call the Command Center. It's a single page, elegantly designed from top to bottom, and at the very top is the most important part, the prompt content box. This is where you have your conversation with the AI. Forget code, forget complicated commands, you just talk to it. You could say, create a video explaining the water cycle for a 5th grade class, or something more complex like, generate a professional overview of our Q3 earnings report for internal stakeholders focusing on growth in the European market. The key is to be clear about 3 things: the topic, the audience, and the tone. Tell it what to explain, who you're explaining it to, and how you want it to sound. Professional, casual, maybe even humorous. You can write this prompt in dozens of languages, from Spanish to Swahili, and if you're on the creator plan or higher, the final video will be generated in that language. For free and starter plans, just remember that no matter what language you prompt in, the video will come out in English. Right below the prompt box, you'll see an Attach button. This is incredibly powerful. You can upload a PDF, a Word document, a research paper, a product manual, anything with text, and Golpo will read it and use that as the foundation for your video. Imagine turning a dense 20-page company document into a digestible 2-minute video without having to rewrite a single word. You can even combine this with a text prompt. For instance, attach your product brochure and then add a prompt that says, create a 2-minute overview of this product focused on the pricing and key features targeting small business owners. Now, look to the top right of this input area. You'll see 2 toggles that fundamentally change your entire workflow: Own Narration and Script Mode. These are your controls for how much of the creative process you want to handle yourself versus leaving it to the AI. By default, Own Narration is off. This means you give Golpo a topic and it does everything. It writes the script and generates the narration using a high-quality AI voice. But what if you want to use your own voice or a pre-recorded interview? That's when you flip the Own Narration switch on. This feature, available on the Business and Scale plans, makes the text prompt box disappear. In its place, you get options to upload an audio or video file, or even record your voice or webcam directly in the browser. Golpo will listen to your audio, transcribe it, and create perfectly synced visuals to match your narration beat for beat. Your voice remains exactly as you recorded it. It's perfect for podcasters, trainers, or anyone who wants that personal touch. The second toggle is Script Mode. When this is on, you're telling the AI, don't write the script for me, I've already got it. You simply paste your pre-written script directly into the box, word for word. The AI then becomes your narrator, reading exactly what you wrote. This is essential for situations where the language needs to be precise, like for legal compliance, or if you just want absolute control over every single word. This level of control is available on the Growth Plan and above. So, you've told Golpo what to say. Now, let's decide how it's going to look. Below the prompt area, you'll find the 2 main artistic engines, Golpo Canvas and Golpo Sketch. Think of them as 2 different artists you can hire. Golpo Canvas is your classic chalkboard artist. It creates those beautiful, dusty, chalk-on-blackboard animations. You can get it in black and white for that authentic classroom feel, which is available on all plans. If you're on the Growth Plan or higher, you can unlock full color and a suite of advanced styles like modern minimal, technical, or editorial to match a more specific aesthetic. Then you have Golpo Sketch. This is your modern whiteboard artist. The illustrations are refined, clean, with that satisfying pen drawing on a whiteboard effect. The classic black and white style is available to everyone. But again, once you move to the growth plan, you unlock a whole palette. You can get full color videos and choose from sub-styles like a dry erase marker look, a playful crayon style, or the very sleek professional clean for corporate content. Business and scale plans get access to an exclusive formal style, which is perfect for serious academic or business topics. Now let's get into the details that take your video from good to great. These are the controls that let you fine-tune the AI's performance. Below the style selectors, you'll find optional text boxes for voice and video instructions. Think of these as whispering directions to your narrator and illustrator. The voice instructions box lets you control the delivery of the narration. This is available on the Creator Plan and up. You can type things like, speak in a calm, reassuring tone, or use an enthusiastic, energetic voice, or even talk like a university professor. This doesn't change the words in the script, just the performance. Similarly, the video instructions box, which is a feature for business plans, guides the visuals. You could tell it, use our brand colors, blue and orange, or show more graphs and charts, or even absolutely no text in the video. This gives you an extra layer of artistic direction over the final look and feel. For those who want even more control over their own assets, the business and scale plans offer the ability to insert your own videos and images. You can upload product screenshots, photos, or short video clips, and Golpo will weave them into the animated video alongside its own illustrations. You can even do a screen recording directly in the app, which is a game changer for software demos and product walkthroughs. And for a completely different kind of output, there's the audio-only checkbox. This is a fantastic feature on the business and scale plans. When you check it, Golpo will take your prompt, generate a full script and narration, but produce no video. You get a broadcast quality audio file, like a podcast episode. And because it's not generating visuals, it only uses 10% of your video credits, making it an incredibly efficient way to produce audio content. Before you hit the generate button, there's one more crucial checkbox to consider. Edit script before creating video. This is an option on growth plans and above. If you check this, Golpo will generate the script and then pause, presenting it to you for review. You can read through it, make tweaks, fix wording, or add details before you commit your credits to generating the full video. It's a vital step for ensuring accuracy on technical topics or just getting the messaging perfect. At the very bottom of the page is the final settings row. This is where you dial in the technical specifications. You can select background music from a library of different moods or upload your own custom track on the business plan. You set the duration of your video, which ranges from 15 seconds all the way up to 10 minutes on the higher tier plans. Remember, 1 credit equals about 1 minute of video. You can select the AI voice you prefer, with voice quality improving as you go up the plans, culminating in voice cloning on the business and scale plans, where you can literally clone your own voice for all your videos. You choose the orientation, horizontal for YouTube and presentations, or vertical for TikTok and Instagram Reels, a feature that unlocks on the Creator Plan. You can set the language for both the narration and any on-screen text. And finally, you can fine-tune the sub-style and the pacing, which controls how quickly the visuals animate on screen. Slower pacing is great for dense information, while faster pacing keeps the energy high. And of course, if you're on the growth plan or higher, you can add your company logo and position it in any corner of the video for consistent branding. So you've configured everything, you've hit that big Generate Video button, and you see a progress bar. What now? You can actually close the window. Golpo will email you when it's done, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. When it's ready, you'll find it waiting in your library. The library is your personal gallery of everything you've created. It's a clean grid of video thumbnails. Each video is on a card with its title, duration, and other key details. You have powerful search and filter tools at the top, so you can easily find a video you made months ago. From the card, you can play your video, download it as a high-quality MP4 file, or share it directly to social media. But the real power here, especially on the business plan, is the Edit button. This opens Golpo's frame-by-frame editor. Let's say the AI drew an illustration you don't quite like on one specific frame. Instead of regenerating the entire video, you can open the editor, go to that exact frame, and change just that one illustration. You can replace it with an image of your own, or give the AI a new prompt to redraw it. This is surgical level control that saves you an enormous amount of time and credits. It's a feature that truly sets Golpo apart. Note that this amazing editing capability is available as an add-on for the growth plan and comes standard with business and scale. Finally, let's quickly touch on your account. The top bar is your main navigation. You'll see your remaining credits, links to your current plan, and access to your library. Your profile icon in the top right corner opens a menu where you can manage your billing, add team members if you're on a business or scale plan, and purchase add-ons to customize your subscription. To quickly recap the plans, the free plan gets you started with a single watermarked video. The starter plan, at about $40 a month, gives you 20 credits and removes the watermark. The creator plan, at around $100, unlocks vertical videos, voice instructions, and multi-language support. The growth plan, for about $200, is where you unlock color video and a huge variety of advanced visual styles. And finally, the business and scale plans, starting at $500 a month, unlock the full suite of power features: own narration, voice cloning, frame editing, user image uploads, and much more. So let's bring it all together. The workflow is beautifully simple. 1. Start with your idea, your prompt, or upload your document or audio file. 2. Choose your level of AI assistance. Are you providing the voice or script? 3. Pick your visual style, sketch or canvas, and decide on color. 4. Fine-tune the details like voice, music, and duration. 5. Hit generate. And 6. Find your finished video in the library, ready to download, edit, or share. That's the entire platform, from a simple text description to a fully animated explainer video in the time it takes to drink a cup of coffee. The best way to learn is to start with a simple prompt and the default settings. Watch what comes out. Then go back and change one thing at a time. Change the voice, change the pacing, add a video instruction. With each generation, you'll gain a more intuitive feel for how to steer this incredible tool to bring your ideas to life.